Good morning, students. Ritvik, why did you raise a hand?
Sir, video sir.
I have not started the presentation.
Okay.
We'll start the class at 6:05.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Rishikesh?
Sir, you're not. Sir, screen is black, sir.
I have not started presentation. We'll start the class at 6:05. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Yes, Surya? Yes, Nehal? Snehal?
Sir,
Yes, Nehal. Why did you raise a hand?
sir, not started the class.
At 6:05 we are going to start. More 2 minutes.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Anita. Anita? Okay, students. I am taking attendance now. Okay, attendance is over. We are going to start the class. I'm presenting my screen now. Yes, today the topic we are going to start the properties of HCF and LCM. So yesterday we discussed the methods how to find HCF and LCM, and today we are going to discuss the properties of HCF and LCM. So the first property of HCF and LCM is for any two numbers or more than two numbers you find HCF. HCF is always a factor of LCM. Okay, let's take the example 4 and 6. Let us say first number is A, 4. Second number is B, let us say 6. Their HCF. Yesterday we found their HCF and we got 2. And LCM we found and we got 12. Now let us check this property is correct or not. That is 2 a factor of 12 or not? Yes. 2 is a factor of 12. And same property in other way, reverse order, what we can say, LCM is always a multiple. LCM is always a multiple of HCF. For any two or more numbers, you take HCF and LCM. LCM is always a multiple of HCF. You take 12 is the multiple of 2. So this is E is a multiple of. E is a multiple of. So we got this is true for every number. Any two numbers or more than two numbers you take, find HCF, find LCM. HCF is always a factor of LCM and LCM is always a multiple of HCF. And the second property is if whatever pair you got, if that is factor multiple pair, factor multiple pair, factor multiple pair is there, then you need not find HCF. The HCF is going to be the factor itself and the LCM is going to be the multiple itself. You need not do any process, nothing. For example, let us consider a pair, that is for the numbers 4 and 12. I want to find the HCF and LCM. So how will you find HCF? With 4 we are going to do 12. 4 3s are 12, remainder is 0. So we got the HCF is 4. And I want to find LCM, common division method. That is 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. And LCM we got 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 12. So what do you understand by this? This is LCM. See, HCF is the factor itself and LCM is the multiple itself. Actually, you need not do this process because 4 is a factor of 12. So here we got the factor multiple pair. 4 is a factor of 12 and 12 is a multiple of 4. Whenever you get a factor multiple pair, HCF will be the factor itself and LCM will be the multiple itself. So let's take one more example. For example, I want to find 3 and 15. What is the HCF? Without doing any process, we can say that HCF is going to be 3 and LCM is going to be 15. Why? Because 3 and 15 make a pair of factor and multiple. So whenever factor multiple pair is there, then we can easily write HCF is the factor itself and LCM is the multiple itself. Students, wait for the doubts. Once I finish explaining properties, I'll be open for the doubts. So third one, the property is if you have two numbers, let us say A and B. If A comma B are co-primes. What are co-primes? We discussed already. So if they have only one as common factor and there is no other common factor, then they can be called co-primes. So whenever the two numbers are co-primes, then you can remember this. Their HCF is always equal to 1 and their LCM is always equal to their product. So what is the product of the numbers here? We took A and B. So the product is going to be A into B. So HCF will be always 1 and LCM will be always their product. Let's take one example. I'm taking an example of co-primes 4, 9. Okay, first let me find the HCF. So with 4 I'm going to divide 9. 4 2s are 8 and the remainder is 1. With 1 I'm going to divide 4. 1 4s are 4, remainder is 0. So what is the HCF here? HCF is 1. And I want to find the LCM. So 4 comma 9, with common division method I want to find. There is no common factor to divide. So LCM is going to be the product of the numbers itself. That is 4 into 9 is equal to 36. So what you got? HCF we got 1 and LCM we got their product. So similarly you take any two co-primes. Always their HCF is 1 and LCM is their products. This will be applicable for any two prime numbers also, because any two prime numbers are always co-primes also. And next, the important property, that is, suppose you are given with two numbers A and B. You found their HCF and also you found their LCM. Whenever you multiply the numbers A and B, and whenever you multiply their HCF and LCM, the products are always going to be equal. So this property you will write in words: product of numbers is always equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Let's take an example to understand. Let's take a simple example. Already for 4 and 6 we have taken. So we say A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 6. Already we calculated HCF. HCF we got 2 and LCM we got 12. So let us check this is working or not. So let's write A into B is equal to H into L. Is this correct or not? I'm just checking. So that is A, let us substitute 4. B, let us substitute 6. H is 2 and L is 12. So let us check. 4 into 6 is 24. 2 into 12 is 24. So we got LHS equal to RHS. What is LHS and RHS? Left hand side is 24. Right hand side is also 24. Yes, this is verified. Not only for 4 and 6. You take any two numbers. Find their HCF, find their LCM. Product of the numbers is always equal to product of their HCF and LCM. Now students, any doubts in these four properties, you can raise a hand and ask. After that we are going to discuss the problems. Aditi, you have any doubt, ma? Aditi?
Sir,
Yes, Aditi.
sir, can I copy first and second?
You want to copy from the beginning? Yeah, you can do that. Meanwhile, any other students, if we have doubts, can raise a hand. Nishika, you have any doubts? Nishika?
Yeah, sir.
Yes. What is your doubt?
8 to 4 to 1.
It's not audible to me. Nishika, speak loudly.
Sir, 8 to 4th problem I didn't understand.
Okay, it's fourth property, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Some students are copying the first two properties. So when I scroll down to fourth one, I'll explain. Okay. I'll call you at that time. Snehal, you have any doubt? Snehal?
Sir, third problem.
It's not problem, it's property.
Sir, property, sir, I don't understand that one.
Okay, I'll explain. When I scroll down, I'll explain because the students are copying the first two properties.
Okay,
So I'll
okay, sir.
call you. Yes. Mayuk, you have any doubt? Mayuk?
Sir, sir,
Yes, Mayuk.
sir, did not copied.
So are you copying the first two?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can copy. I'm waiting on the screen only.
Okay.
Lakshita, have any doubt? Lakshita?
Sir,
Yes, Lakshita.
sir, can you explain second property example?
Yeah, second property is whenever you take factor multiple pair. Lakshita, you know factor multiple pair?
Sir, I cannot audible to you.
Lakshita, it's a like a resound to me.
Okay,
Can
sir.
you sit in a quiet place?
Okay, sir.
Otherwise, do one thing. Leave the class and join again, Lakshita.
Okay, sir.
Rishikesh, any doubts? Rishikesh?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, Sir, I can't understand first and second property.
See, first property is very simple. You take any numbers, any two numbers or more than two numbers, you will be finding HCF, right?
Yes, sir.
You'll be getting one answer, and
Yes.
you'll be finding LCM, right? And
Yes,
you'll be
sir.
getting one answer. Always
Yes, sir.
HCF will be a factor of LCM, and always
Sir,
LCM, yes,
HCF is a factor of LCM.
that one. And LCM is always a multiple of HCF. Okay, let's take another example if you want. Can you tell me any two numbers your wish?
Sir, sir,
Yes.
3 and 9.
Okay. You're taking 3 and 9. No problem.
Yes.
Let's take 3 and 9. Okay, let's find their HCF. Okay, what is their HCF? 3. Yes? Yes
Yes,
or no?
sir.
And what is their
Yes, sir.
LCM?
Sir, 9.
9. Is HCF a factor of LCM?
Yes, sir.
And is LCM a factor of HCF?
Yes, sir.
Sorry, multiple of HCF?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm giving one more example to you. That is, if you take something like um, 12 and 20. Okay? Shall you find
Yes,
HCF?
yes, sir.
12 ones are 12 and the remainder is 8. With 8, let us divide 12 again. 8 ones are 8, remainder is 4. With 4, let us divide 8 again. 4 twos are 8, remainder is 0. So what is the HCF I got?
4.
4. Let us find the LCM through common division method.
Yes,
2,
sir. 2
6,
6 are
10,
2
3, and
2
5.
3.
So no common factors, we can stop. So
Yes,
LCM
sir.
2 into 2 into 3 into 5.
This
So
is 3.
we keep it separate. 2 3s are 6, it is 60, right?
Yes, sir.
Writing again, HCF we got 4 and LCM we got 60. Now, Rishikesh, can you tell me, is 4 a factor of 60?
Yes, sir.
Is 60 a multiple of 4?
Yes, sir.
So, always this relation will be there between HCF and LCM. For whatever numbers you take, either two numbers or more than two numbers, always
Yes.
HCF will be a factor of LCM and LCM will be a factor of, multiple of HCF. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. I think you are asking the second property also.
Yes, sir.
Okay, listen to the second one. So if factor multiple pair is there, okay, what do you mean by factor multiple pair? There are two numbers. One number is
Uh,
the factor of another number, and other number is the multiple of the first number. Okay, I have
okay.
example here 4 and 12. Okay, in
Okay, sir.
12, is 4 a factor of 12? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Is 12 a multiple of 4?
Yes.
If you find the HCF will be the factor itself. So 4 itself. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And if you find the LCM will be the multiple itself, that is 12. That means
Yes, sir.
whenever factor multiple pair is there, you need not do any process for HCF and LCM. HCF will be the factor, LCM will be the multiple. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, I took one more example, no 3 comma 15. So which is a factor and
Okay.
which is a multiple in them? 3 and 15?
Sir, 3 is a factor of 15.
Yes.
15 is a multiple of 3.
That's why HCF we got 3 and LCM we got 15. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I think Nishika is asking, not Nishika. I think Snehal. Snehal, can you raise your hand? Snehal, can you raise your hand? Yes, Snehal, you're asking third property, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, third property is if A and B are co-primes. You know, Snehal, what do you mean by co-primes?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what are co-primes?
Sir, they are example 2, 3.
Not example, I'm asking definition. What are co-primes?
Sir, coprimes are only one factor.
Very good, very good. Whenever you find common factor, not factor, common factor. Whenever you
Okay, sir.
find common factors, there is only one as a common factor. No other common factors will be there. So I took the example 4 and 9. Okay. So for
Okay, sir.
4, what are the factors of 4, Snehal?
Sir, 1, 2, 4 itself.
4 factors, 1, 2, and 4. Very good. And 9 factors?
Sir, 1, 3,
And
9.
9 also, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
except to 1, do they have any other common factor?
No, sir.
No. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Type of numbers, what are they called? Co-primes.
Co-primes.
So only one has common factor, they are called co-primes. So whenever the given question contains co-primes like this, what is their HCF always?
1.
1. What is their LCM is always?
A
This,
into B.
their products, the numbers
Yes,
products. Because we
they,
took A and B here, the product is A into B. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
So we took the example 4 and 9, and HCF we got 1, and LCM we got 36. Where does this 36 come from? It is their product, right?
Yes, sir.
I hope you understood this property.
Yes, yes, sir.
Nishika, can you raise your hand once? Nishika? Nishika, can you raise your hand? Yes, Nishika. I think you asked fourth property, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, fourth property is you take any two numbers and find their HCF and LCM. Let us say their HCF is H and LCM is L. If you multiply the numbers, you'll get some answer, right?
Yeah.
And if you multiply HCF and LCM, you'll get one answer, right?
Yes, sir.
Both of them are always going to be equal. For example, we took 4 and 6 here. And what is the HCF we got?
HCF is equals
HCF.
to HCF 2.
HCF we got 2. You know how to find HCF of 4 and 6? You know
Yes.
continued division method, right? With 4
Yes,
we are
sir.
going to divide 6. 4 ones are 4, remainder is 2. With 2 again we have to divide 4. Okay, 2 twos are 4, remainder is 0. So what is the HCF we got?
2.
2. Let us find LCM. 4 and 6 common division method. 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. And what is the LCM we got? 2 into 2 into 3. Is it 12?
Yes.
Now, HCF is 2 and LCM is 12. Now, what is this property saying? Product of the numbers is always equal to product of HCF and LCM. Okay.
Okay.
So, 4 into 6. What is the answer we got?
2,
4 into 6.
2 into 12.
4 into 6 I am asking. What is the answer?
24.
24. Now, HCF is 2, LCM is 12. I am multiplying HCF and LCM. 2 into 12. Am I getting the same answer, 24?
Yes.
So the product of the numbers and product of their HCF and LCM are always going to be equal. Okay, Nishika?
Okay, sir.
Okay, any other student having doubt? Harshvardhan?
Sir,
Harshvardhan, you have any doubt?
sir, I joined at the time, sir. When you said the attendance finished.
No problem, I'll check it later.
Okay,
You
sir.
have any doubts in the class?
This fourth product of numbers.
Fourth one I just explained, no? Have you listened to the other students' doubt also?
Sir, I listened. 4 into 6, we want to multiply HCF into LCM.
Yes, they are always equal products. Okay?
Okay, sir.
You take any two numbers, not only. Okay, for you, I'll take one more example. You tell me any two numbers, Harshvardhan, on your own.
Sir, 8 and 12.
8 and B you are taking 12. First, let us find their HCF. Can we use continued division method?
Yes.
With 8, let us divide 12. 8 ones are 8, remainder is 4.
4.
4 I am dividing 8. 4 twos are 8 and the remainder is 0.
0.
What is the HCF we got, Harshvardhan?
4.
4. And let us find the LCM, 8 and 12. Can we use common division method?
Yes.
2 fours are 8, 2 6 are 12,
Yeah.
2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. No common factors for 2 and 3, so we can stop the process. And LCM is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Is it going to be 24?
Yes.
So we got HCF and LCM. Let us verify this property. Is A into B is equal to HCF into LCM or not? What is A value here?
A value 8.
A is 8. What is B?
12.
12. What is HCF?
What is HCF? 4.
HCF is 4. What is LCM?
LCM 24.
Okay. What is 12 into 8 product?
12 into
8.
96.
96. What is 4 into 24 product?
4 into 24.
No, no, no need to do like that. I'll tell you one trick. 24 you can split into two numbers. That is 20 and 4. Yes?
Yes.
4 into 20, how much?
40. Sorry. 80.
4 into 4, how much?
4 into 4, 16.
16 and 80. Now you can add.
Yes.
What is that?
16 and 96.
96. We got the same answer.
Yes.
I hope you understood the property now.
Sir, you tell me a trick in multiplication.
Yeah, Vedic mathematics. I'm going to take the course. I'm planning either next week or coming week, morning class only. In Vedic mathematics, I'm going to explain all the tricks: how to multiply easily, how to find squares easily, and some
Sir,
small tricks.
today this chapter will finish.
It depends on the discussion only.
Sir, are there how many topics
We have nearly 19 topics.
in HCF and LCM?
No. This topic will be over either today or tomorrow. That is Monday. But we have in total 19 topics together.
Oh,
I think you cleared your doubt, Harshvardhan.
yes, sir. This is, but I am muting myself, sir. I
Okay.
cleared my.
Manaswini, you have any doubts? Manaswini?
Sir,
Yes, you have any doubt, ma?
sir, when you will take exam?
Exam
Time?
tomorrow, Sunday.
Time, sir, time.
Timings. Okay. You tell me when it will be comfortable to you.
Sir, I think so. Evening, sir.
Evening. Okay, we'll plan in the evening only. I'll let you know by end of the today's class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Mayuk, you have any doubts left? Mayuk? Mayuk, you're
Sir,
not.
can you show?
Yes, yes.
Sir, can you show fifth method?
There is no fifth method, only up to, it's not a method, they are properties. I discussed up to fourth property only.
Oh.
Okay. Lakshita, you have any doubts? Lakshita,
Sir,
you have any doubt?
sir, now, sir, 7:30 to 8 o'clock, you will take other class.
Yeah, intelligence. Not only 7:30. Today I will start quickly. Why? Because intelligence we have not started at all. So today I'm going to discuss intelligence in this week. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And Manaswini again raised her hand.
Sir, I didn't understood fourth.
Fourth one just now I explained two times to other students. Then also you didn't listen to them.
Sir, I'm brushing.
What, you're brushing?
Yes, sir.
Is it a good thing to do in class? You have to complete all your activities before the class. Bad habit.
Sorry, sir.
Be ready before the class.
Okay, sir.
Vishwajit, you have any doubts? Vishwajit?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I not wrote third question.
Okay, it's not question and it's not method. They are properties. You can write later after watching the recorded lecture. You leave some space, okay? But you understood the method?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can copy later. Aditi?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I didn't understand second one.
Second one I explained again to somebody else. Did you listen second time?
No, sir.
I explained to Rishikesh second time again. I took one more example also. What is second property? Can you read, Aditi?
Sir, you are zooming the screen.
No, I'm not showing the screen. I'm asking you whether you remember or not. What is the second property? Do you remember? You want to copy. That's why you are asking me to go to the previous screen.
No, sir, I already copied.
Then read the property loudly.
Okay, sir.
Second property.
If factor multiples pair is this HCF is equal to factor, LCM is equals multiple.
Yeah, enough.
Example.
What is the first example I took?
First example,
Yes,
315.
315. Okay. 3 is a factor of 15 or not, Aditi?
3 is a factor.
3 is a factor of 15 or not? Factor means what? Is it divisible? 15 is divisible by 3.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 3 is a factor of 15. Is 15 a multiple of 3?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then for them, without finding HCF and LCM, directly you can write HCF will be the factor itself, 3, and LCM will be the multiple itself, that is 15. Okay? Whenever factor multiple pairs are there, then you can get the
Yes, sir.
answer. Okay, I'll give one more example for you. Let's take 4 and 20. Let's take
Mm,
4.
4 and 10.
Can you tell me what is their HCF and what is their LCM?
Okay, sir.
What is their HCF and what is their LCM? See, Aditi, is 4 a factor of 20?
20.
Is 4 a factor of 20?
No, sir.
Why no? 20 is divisible by 4 or not?
Yes, sir.
4 5s are 20 or not?
Yes, sir. 4 5s are 20.
Then 4 is a factor of 20 or not?
Yes, sir. Factor of
Yes. Is
4.
20 a multiple of 4?
Yes, sir.
There are two persons, okay, right? A and B. A is the son of B, right?
Mm.
Then reverse order, what we can say, B is the father of A, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, 4 is a factor of 20. That is also same as 20 is a multiple of 4. Yes?
Mm.
Okay, now you tell me, for 4 and 20, I want to find HCF and LCM. What is HCF?
And ఏంటి sir number ఏంటి?
4 and 20. I want HCF.
And 20.
You only read the second property loudly, no? Whenever factor multiple pair is there, HCF is a factor, LCM is a multiple, you said. In 4 and 20, which is factor, which is multiple?
Sir, find HCF.
Yes. First answer my question. Which is factor and which is multiple?
Sir, 4 is factor
Yes. Then
and
HCF will be 4, right?
yes, sir.
And what is,
20 is multiple.
so it will be LCM, right?
Yes, sir.
When it is possible, when factor multiple pair, then only this is possible. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now, shall we go into the problems? Yeah, everybody cleared their doubts and we're moving into the problems. Okay, all of you, this question came in Sainik School 2023 exam. So I'm showing you on the screen. All of you try this question. The product of two numbers with LCM of 112 is 4032 and HCF of the two numbers will be dash. Try this question, all of you. I'm giving 2 minutes of time. After that, I'm going to explain. The product of two numbers with LCM of 112 is 4032. What is the HCF of the two numbers will be? If anyone want to explain this question, you can raise a hand. Read the question properly. It's very simple. The product of two numbers with LCM of 112 is 4032. The HCF of the two numbers will be dash. What is given, what we have to find. You check properly. So out of 33 students, only 2 students are raising hand. Is that much difficult? Product of the numbers is given, LCM is given, and we want to find HCF. We discussed there's no 4 properties. Which property is useful to solve this question? You can check and you can get the answer easily. Only 4 students are raising hand. Jayavant, you don't know how to solve this. Ritvik, you don't know. Pranay, you don't know. Manojna, you can also solve. Sanvi can solve. Sanvi, can you raise your hand once? Sanvi, can you raise your hand once? Yes, Sanvi. Sanvi,
Sir,
why are you absent yesterday?
sir,
Yesterday you were absent, right?
no, sir.
Evening classes.
Yes, sir.
Why are you absent yesterday and day before yesterday?
Sir, exams, sir.
Completed or still going on?
Sir, on Sunday there's one exam.
Okay, Monday onwards you'll be attending the classes regularly.
Yes, sir.
Sanvi, you don't know how to solve this question?
Sir, I'm solving, sir.
Okay, do it. Continue. Still, some people are taking so much time. Ritvik, you know that Surya can solve this, but not raising hand. Abhiday, I think you people are joining the class and doing your own work, not attentive. Okay, Himateja, can you explain this question? Himateja?
Sir,
Yes, Himateja.
option D, sir, 36 answer.
How can we solve this? That is the question. How we solve?
Sir, 432 by 112.
Yes, why we should divide like that?
Sir, I will tell.
What is the property you are using and why are you dividing? Himateja, so
Sir,
we discussed four properties, no? This question is related to which property?
sir, fourth.
Yes, fourth property. Let us see the numbers now, A and B, okay? Okay, Himateja?
Yes, sir.
Let us call their HCF is H and their LCM is L. Which property we know between them?
Sir, LCM is equal to 112, HCF is equal to
No,
4,000.
I'm not asking the numbers in the question. What is the relation between the numbers A and B and HCF and LCM we know according to fourth property?
Product of numbers is equal to product of
Yes,
product
right.
of
Very good. So we can
LCM.
write A into B is equal to H into L. Can we write that?
Sir,
But the product of the numbers is already given. What is that?
uh, 112 and 4,032.
No, product of the numbers. What? Read the question properly. The product of two numbers with LCM of 112. That means LCM is 112, right?
Yes, sir.
And product of the numbers is 4032, right?
Yes, sir.
The product of numbers is 4032. So can you tell me what is A into B value?
Ye- Sir, I want to be well. Sir,
No.
not understood.
A into B means product of numbers only, no?
Yes, sir.
That means A into B value we got 4032, we can write here.
Yes, sir.
HCF we don't know, let us write H only. But LCM we know. How much is LCM?
112.
112. By transposing 112 to the other side, we can solve for the value of H.
Yes, sir.
So let's write 4032 divided by 112. You know
Sir,
how to solve this simplification?
sir, 36
With
answer.
which number you divided first?
Yes, sir.
With which number you divided first?
Sir, 3.
Okay, 3. Both are divisible by 3. You checked by divisibility rule? Yes.
Yes.
3 threes are 9. Next,
Sir, sir, after 6.
I don't think the denominator is divisible by 3. You didn't check it. 2
Yes.
plus 1 plus 1. Is it divisible by 3? No,
No.
not divisible by 3. So what shall we do?
Sir, numerators.
Come again. With which number you are doing division?
Numerators.
With which number you are doing division? I am asking.
Sir, 4032.
No, both of them you have to do cuttings, right? With which number you are doing? First you check by 2, no? A simple number is there. Both of them are divisible by 2 or not?
Yes, sir, divisible.
2 means both are divisible. So 2 fives are 10. And what is the remainder?
Sir,
11 minus 6 is the remainder.
11 minus 12. 1.
11 minus 10, what is the remainder?
1.
1 and 2 becomes 12. 2 6 are 12, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then 2 into 20 and 2 into 16. Again, they are divisible by 2.
Yes, sir.
So 2 2s are 4. 2 8s are 16. Then what is the answer when 2016 is divided by 2?
Sir, wait 1 minute, sir.
Tell me here. I can write on the screen directly.
Sir, calculation.
2 tens are 20, right?
Sir, 108.
Wrong answer. That is the same mistake every student is doing. When you are taking 2 digits at a time, you must use 0. I told you already, right? So it's not 108, it is 1008, right?
Yes.
Okay, again, both are divisible by which number?
Uh, sir, 2 table only.
Yeah, 2 into 14 and 2 5s are 10 and 0 4. Now again divisible by 2,
Yes, sir.
2 sevens and 252. Now, 2 cuttings by 7.
Yes. Sir, wait.
7 table it is divisible to 52.
Yes, sir.
7, now tell me with which number quotient?
3, sir. Sir, 36.
7 threes are 21. 25 minus 21, 4 is remaining 42. 7 6 are 42. So the HCF we got 36. So which answer is correct, Shimateja?
Option D, sir.
Very good. So you can mute yourself. So any student, if you have any doubt regarding that, you can raise a hand. Those who want to give the answer can lower your hands if you don't have any doubt. So now doubts, you can raise a hand. Any doubts in the solution? Mayuk, you had any doubts? No. Mayuk, you had any doubts?
No.
No, you can lower your hand. So I think everybody is okay with this solution. So you can copy this. So while I am explaining, you don't copy. First listen. Then later you can copy. Samatvika, you have any doubt? Samatvika,
Sir.
you have any doubt?
Yes, sir.
What is your doubt?
Sir, I didn't understand.
See, this is related to the fourth property. They gave product of the numbers and they gave LCM. And with this information, we should find the HCF. So what is the property that is relating numbers, HCF, LCM? What is the property, you tell me?
Sir.
Just now I told you 4 properties. In that, what is the fourth property? At least you see and read from the notebook. Are you copying or not?
Yes, I joined now only.
Samatvika, were you not joining on time? I told you to join it exactly sharp 6 o'clock. Why can't you
Yes.
plan one day before and plan for alarm and at least wake up 30 minutes before the class so that you'll be ready? Regularly,
Okay.
you're late.
Okay, sir.
Watch the recorded lecture from the beginning and any doubts you can ask later.
Okay.
Snehal, Snehal, you have any doubt?
Sir, copy this question.
Every question you have to copy. For every question, you'll be asking that. Copy question, solution. Every question must be there in your book.
Okay, sir. Sir, question also.
Question, solution, everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay. I hope all the doubts are cleared. Snehal, what happened again?
Sir, wait 1 minute, sir. I will copy.
Till now, what were you doing?
Sir, I don't know, sir. Question also copy.
Every question and solution you should copy. You can copy it later now. So everybody, so we got the answer, that is 36. That is option D. So you can try next question, all of you. So the next question is this. The product of the LCM and HCF of two numbers is given 322. This question came in 2022 year, Sainik school exam 2022. The product of LCM and HCF of two numbers is given 322. If one of the numbers is given 23 and we should find the other number, what is the other number? All of you try this question. I'm giving 2 minutes of time. If you can explain, just raise your hand. I am going to give chance. The product of the LCM and HCF of two numbers is given 322, and one of the numbers is given 23. We should find the other number. Those who want to explain this question can raise a hand now. Okay, let us see who are interested to explain. Daksh, Mayuk, Harshavardhan, Ritvik, Sahana, and other students. Manognya, you can explain. Shivatmika, you can explain, but not raising hand. Varshita, you can explain. Varshita, Shivatmika, Manognya, what were you doing in the class? Abhyuday, not raising hand. Srivatso, Pranay, raising the hand. Okay, Ritvik, can you explain this question? Ritvik,
Sir.
yes, can you explain this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I can't see question.
Is the screen not visible to you?
Yes, sir. But
What happened?
sir, I can't see screen, sir.
From the beginning of the class, you are not able to see the screen.
Sir, no, sir. Now only, sir.
Is the screen not visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm sharing it once again. Wait a minute. Ritvik, are you able to see the screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now can you explain this question?
Sir, the product of the LCM and HCF is 332. Sir, 322, sir.
Okay.
Sir, if sir A is 23, sir, B is don't know, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
So what is the property I have to write?
sir, A into B is equals to H into L.
Yes, A into B is equal to H into L. And one number is given 23. So in place of
Yes,
A, can we write 23
yes, sir.
into B? What is HCF given?
Sir,
What is
sir,
HCF?
not HCF, sir.
What
Sir,
is it?
LCM HCF product is given.
Yes, HCF and LCM individually we don't know, but the product together is given. What is the product given?
Sir,
322. Yes. Now transpose 23 to the other side.
yes, sir.
Okay, it will do division. And what is the answer?
Sir, one more,
23
sir.
is a prime number, so we cannot do cuttings by any smaller number. We have to divide by 23 only. So shall we do the division?
Yes, sir.
23 ones are 23. What is the remainder? 32 minus 23.
9, sir.
9 2 will become 92. So
Yes,
23
sir.
92.
Sir, 4, sir.
Yes, 23 fours are 92, and the second number we got 14. So which option is correct? Ritvik?
Sir, option B.
Option B. Very good. You can mute yourself, Ritvik. And any doubts in this explanation can raise a hand. So those who wanted to explain this question can lower your hand. But if you have doubts, you can raise a hand. So anyone have the doubts regarding this question can raise a hand. I'll be explaining. So many students are raising their hand. You can lower your hand if you don't have doubt. Yes, Anvita, you have any doubt in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Can you tell me what is your doubt?
Sir, can you explain again?
See, what is the? Are you there from the beginning of the class, Anvita? Are you there from the beginning of the class, Anvita?
Yes, sir.
We discussed four properties. Can you tell me the fourth property?
Yes, sir.
What is that?
Sir, first property is
Not
H.
first one. Not first. I'm asking fourth.
Fourth property, sir.
Yes.
Product of numbers
Yes.
is,
Please continue.
is equals to product of their HCF and LCM.
Okay. Then I wrote the same thing. A into B is equal to H into L. What are A and B? The numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
H means HCF and L means LCM.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now out of the two numbers, one number is given. A is 23. We want to find the other number, right?
Yes, sir.
So A, I have written 23, but B we don't know. Let us write B only. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now HCF and LCM product is given 322. Can I write that?
Yes, sir.
Now if you transpose this 23 to the other side, multiplication will become
Multiplication.
division.
Division.
So that's why I divided 322 by 23. After doing cuttings, you'll get the answer 14. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, any other doubts from other students? I think all the hands are lowered. Sahana. 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 Sahana, you're not audible to me. Is it Sahana or Sahasra? Okay, you can do one thing. You can leave the class and join again. You're not at all audible. Sahana. Sahana, leave the class and join again.
Sir,
Yes, Sahana, you're audible.
sir, I'm Sanvi, sir.
Yeah, Sanvi, yes, ma'am. Why did you raise a hand?
Sir,
You raised the hand, no? You have any doubt?
no, sir.
Okay, let's solve the next question, all of you. So this question came in 2021. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are given 6 and 864 respectively. What do you mean by respectively? HCF will be the first number 6, LCM will be the second number 864. Sanvi, you can mute yourself. If one number is 96 and we have to find the other number. Similar type of question. Everybody must solve this question now. So all of you try this question. If you want to explain, you can raise a hand. I'll be asking you the explanation. The HCF and LCM of two numbers are given 6 and 864 respectively. If one number is 96, we have to find the other number. You take 2 minutes of time. After that, I'll ask you. If you are interested in answering, just raise a hand. I think so many students are ready to answer this question. Very good. Okay, let us ask Nishika. Nishika, can you explain this question? Nishika,
Yes, sir.
yeah, can you explain this question?
Yes, sir.
First, read the question.
The HCF and LCM of two numbers are 6 and 6, 864 representatively. If one
Respectively,
number
respectively, respectively.
respectively, if
See,
one
Nishika,
number
what is
is
the meaning of this word respectively? First number will be related to first one, second number will be related to second one. That is the meaning. That means HCF is 6 and LCM is 864. Okay?
okay.
Okay, continue.
Sir,
If
can I explain it?
if one number is 96, find the other number. Yes, tell me. How can you solve this?
So first number is equals to
First,
96.
shall we write the property? What is the property we know? What is the property we know?
So product of number is equals to product of their LCM and LCM and HCF.
Very good. Can I write A into B is equal to H into L in short?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one number is 96, so can I call this as A 96?
Yes, sir.
Other number we don't know. Let us write B only. Okay.
Hmm.
What is HCF?
HCF is equals to 869.
HCF is 6. I told you. First number is first.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. HCF is 6. And what is LCM?
LCM 864.
864. Now I want the value of B. So what can I do now?
Sir, HCF into LCM.
No, already that we can do, no problem. But don't do multiplication. Better than multiplication, you do cuttings. First, you take 96 to the other side. When 96 is transposed to the right side, multiplication will become
Uh, Division.
division. Very good. So we got B is equal to 6 into 864 divided by 96. Now we can do cuttings. 6 and 96. We can do cuttings by any number.
Yes.
Division
Yes.
with number. Both of them divisible by 2. You take smaller number first. Slowly you can divide by bigger numbers.
Okay.
Both are divisible by which number?
Sir,
We discussed divisibility rule by 2. What is that? We discussed divisibility rule by 2. What is that?
the divisibility of 2.
Yes.
Hmm. Sir, just 1 minute.
No need to go back. It's very simple. If the final digit is any one digit from 0 to 468, it is divisible by 2, right?
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
6,
the last digit is 6.
yeah, divisible. 96, 6 is there. It's divisible. So both of them you can divide by 2 now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, 2, you divide 6.
Hmm.
You divide 6 by 2.
Hmm.
2 table 6, when will you get?
Sir, 3s are. 2 3s are.
2 3s are 6. Next 96. First 9 you divide by 2. 9, which quotient we have to use?
Uh,
Nishika division 9, 2 table. 2 fours are 8, right?
yes, sir.
9 minus 8, how much?
Sir, 9 minus 8.
Yes.
4.
9 minus 8 is 1. And after 1 we have to use 6.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 6 becomes 16. Now 2 table 16.
16 6 are. 6.
2 table, when will you get 16?
Sir, 16.
2 8s are 16, right?
Yes, sir.
Now again do division 3 and 48. Both are divisible by 3. Nishika, can you
Yes, sir.
tell me how can you check 48 is divisible by 3? Divisibility rule by 3. You are not
Sir,
using Nishika classes. Divisibility rule by 3. Tell me fast. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3 or not.
yes, sir.
What is the sum of the digit 4 and 8?
4 and 8.
4 plus 8 how much?
Ah,
4 plus 8 how much?
12.
12. 12 is divisible by 3.
Yes, sir.
So we can do division 3 and 48 by 3 now.
Yeah.
Yes, 3 ones are 3. Then 3 ones are 3. What is the remainder? 4 minus 3.
4 minus 3. 1.
1 8 becomes
1 become.
1 8 becomes 18, right?
Yes.
Now 3 double 18. 3 table, when will you get 18? 3 6 and 18 are not.
Yes, sir.
Now with 16 we have to do division. 16 table, you know.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's divide 86. When you get 86 in 16 table, you read
Uh,
table, Nichika, read 16 table once.
16 ones are 16. 16 twos are 32. 16 threes are 48. 16 fours are 64. 16 fives are 80. 16 six.
So 80 is useful or not?
Yes, sir.
16 fives are 80. 86 minus 80, what is remaining?
86.
86 minus 80, what is remaining?
Sir, 6.
6 and this 4 becomes
Mm,
6, 4 together. What will the number become? 64. 6, 4 becomes 64 or not, Nishika?
Yes, sir.
Now in 15 table, when will you get 64?
16 4 is 64.
Yes, that's it. Single answer we got 54. So which option is correct, Nishika?
Uh, sir, C.
Yes, we got the answer C. Very good. You are trying to explain and you are raising the hand. Very good. If you continue raising the hand and involve in the discussions, definitely you can improve and score your marks also. Very good. Okay, Nishika. But learn tables first fast and you have to improve your speed also. Cuttings you have to practice. Okay,
Okay, sir. Uh,
Nishika, very good. And any other students, if you have doubts, you can raise a hand now. So some students are messaging in the chat box. Sir, I got the answer 54. Sanvi, very good. Harshit said 1008. I think this is from previous question. Okay, let's start intelligence. Um, so any questions left in properties? Yes, some more questions are there which we will take it from Monday. Okay. So now we are going to start intelligence. Who is that raising hand? Snehal, you have any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, 1 minute wait, sir. I don't copy the answer.
Okay, okay, you can copy. Um, Anvita said 54. Very good. And Lakshita, why are you raising hand?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, I'm getting headache. Can I leave?
Okay, but will you watch the recorded lecture later and tell me everything?
Yes, sir.
Okay, intelligence, because we are discussing it for the first time. So intelligence questions also will be there tomorrow's exam. So you must complete the recorded lecture. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, Lakshita, you're allowed to leave now.
Okay, sir.
Srivatsa also got 54. Very good. Okay, now we are going to start intelligence, but before that, some students asked time to copy. You can copy quickly. Wait a minute, I'll be back. I'm just checking this intelligence material to share the questions. Meanwhile, anybody, the solution not copied, you can copy quickly. Yes, I'm ready with this material now. Okay, we are going to start the first chapter in intelligence today, that is analogy. Some people are raising hand. Yes, Sahana. Sahana. Sahana, you're not audible. Sahana, do one thing. Send your device with Sahasra today evening. So I'll be checking what's the problem with your device. You can get your books to the institute even if you want to listen to the online class. So you can sit beside me and listen, and I'll check your problem with your device. Javant, why are you raising hand? Shiradia got answer 54 from previous question. Sahana said 54, correct. Javant, you raise a hand. Why?
Sir, my intelligence book is over.
Which book is over?
Intelligence book.
Okay, you can copy in book today and copy later.
Okay, sir.
Okay, intelligence, we are going to start today. The first topic in intelligence that we are going to start is analogy. Okay, today's topic is analogy for intelligence. Okay, what is analogy? Analogy means similarity, having similar features. In questions based on analogy, a particular relationship between words, letters, or numbers will be given, and another similar relationship we have to identify from the alternatives provided. To understand analogical relationship, let us see some example. Okay, so the example I'm taking is, okay, all of you try to answer this question. If you know answer, you can let me know in chat box, or you can even raise a hand also. School is to students is as to hospital is to what? Anyone know the answer? Can raise a hand or even let me know in the chat box. Anvita, can you say the answer?
Sir, patience.
Very good. So what is the relationship we can write?
Sir, patience.
No, the explanation what we can write.
Sir, explanations.
Yes.
Sir, students is go to school.
Yes.
Patients will be go to hospital.
Yes. Students go to school to learn. Patients go to hospital to treat themselves, right?
Yes, sir.
You can write the explanation. So what is the relation we can write? Students
Sir,
to,
can I mute?
yes, we can read. Students go to school to learn. Similarly, patients. Answer here is answer. What is answer? Patients. Patients go to hospital for treatment. So answer is patients. So there are three types of analogy that we are going to discuss: word analogy, number analogy, and alphabet analogy. So the three types of analogy: word analogy, all number analogy, and we have alphabet analogy also. So first let us start word analogy. So first type is word analogy. So in word analogy, in this type of analogy, two words are given which are related to each other in a particular manner. Other word is also given followed by four alternatives, four options. Firstly, the candidate is required to identify the relationship between the first two words. Then the student is required to pick that word from the alternatives which bears exactly the same relationship to the third, as the first two has the same relationship. Some relationships I'm going to give, something maybe country, capital, currency, something maybe occupation and working place, etc. So first let us revise some important ones. Actually, countries, capital, currency, I gave almost all the countries from the world and different countries. You have to revise that notes. So anybody if you don't have the notes properly, so whomsoever has written properly, you can get from them, and you should know every country, every capital, and every currency. Students, just wait a second. I'll stop the sharing and reshare it. Mm, okay, just wait a second. I hope now you are able to see the content that I am sharing. So here you can see the country, capital, and currency. Can you see this? Harshvardhan, is the content visible to you?
Sir, now I am seeing that. Yes, sir.
Okay, all of you. So country, capital, and currency. So Bangladesh, country Bangladesh. What is the capital? Dhaka.
Dhaka.
And the currency used in Bangladesh is
Sir,
taka.
write this, sir.
Yeah, if you want, you can copy. Iraq. Iraq capital is Baghdad, and currency is dinar. China capital is Beijing, and currency is yuan. These are only few examples. We have almost all the countries. The notes is there with the old students. You can get from the old students, and you can copy everything. All countries, capitals, currencies I have given. So India capital is New Delhi, and currency is Indian rupee. UK, United Kingdom, capital is London, and currency is pound. Japan, the capital is Tokyo, and the currency is yen. USA, the capital is Washington DC, and the currency is dollar, US dollar. Russia, capital is Moscow, and currency is ruble. Greece, capital is Athens, and currency is euro. Now we have occupation, working place, and working. Lawyer. Lawyer is occupation. Where is the working place of lawyer? It is court. And working. What is the name of the work done by the lawyer? Legal practice. Servant. The working place is house. And what is the work? Name of the work? Service. Beautician. Where is the beautician work? Parlor. And the name of the work is makeup. Similarly, we'll take some other examples. Occupation, working place, and working. Mechanic, garage. Working place is garage, and the working is repairing. Waiter, restaurant, and the working is serving. Teacher, working place is school, and name of the work is teaching. Chef, chef will work in kitchen, and the name of the work is cooking. Sailor, who is taking a journey on the sea water. Sailor, working place is ship, and the working is sailing. Now, there are some other important animals and sounds, and also animals and baby names you should remember. Cock, the sound is crow. Duck sound is called quack. Cat, meow. Frog, croak. Snake, hiss. Owl, hoot. Jackal, howl. Donkey, bray. Now, some Indian states and with capitals. Sikkim, Gangtok, West Bengal, Kolkata, Goa, Panaji, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, and Bihar, Patna. So all the states of India and capital also we have written. So you can check it later. But you must revise all of them. We may get question from anywhere. Okay. So we have some examples here. That is the relationships in word analogy can be of the following types, maybe antonyms and synonyms, quantity and unit, measurement and instrument, worker and to relationship, and individual and its dwelling place. So till now, whatever doubts are there, you can raise a hand. Shanai, why did you raise a hand? Yes, Shanai.
Sir,
Yes, Shanai.
sir, I will copy country capitals currency, sir.
Yeah, that is actually with the old students in the notes they have written clearly. All the countries, capitals, currencies are there with them. You can get the book from anybody else and you can copy.
Okay, sir.
And Ritvik, Ritvik,
Sir,
yes, Ritvik, why did you raise a hand?
sir, ఇవన్నీ రాయాలా?
Yeah, you must write. Speak in English.
Okay, sir.
So if the time is not sufficient in the class, you can leave some space, and those spaces you can fill after watching the recorded lecture. Okay,
Okay, sir.
Pranay, Pranay, why did you raise the hand?
Sir,
Yes, Pranay.
sir, we have to copy the antonym synonym dissolve.
Yeah, important things you copy, not everything. Whatever important things are there from the class, you can copy.
Okay, sir.
Snehal, Snehal.
Sir, write these antonym synonyms also.
No, these are just headings. We are not going into the topic. When we go into the topic, the important things you can copy, not everything. If you know already, you need not copy. And you are listening for the first time and you want to remember, you can copy them.
Okay, sir.
And Litiksha, have any doubt?
Sir,
Yes, Litiksha.
sir, sir, you showing others all countries and capitals and sounds and
Yes.
working place. That only you will ask.
Yeah, yes. Because in the beginning of the year, we conducted so many quiz on the time and we wrote all the countries, capitals, everything. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that you have to revise everything.
Okay, sir.
And Sahana, Sahana, not audible. Sir, where we should copy intelligence analogy. You can copy in intelligence book. If you don't have intelligence book now, you can copy in the book and copy later.
Sir,
And Sahana, yes, Sahana, you're audible. Sahana, maybe there's a problem with your internet connection. That's why it's not a device problem also. Sir, analogy is a math or English. Analogy we have to write that is in intelligence. Intelligence you have to maintain separate notebook, Sudeshna. Patient for the previous question. Before you said English, anything you should copy from English. Now today we are going to do intelligence only. Shriyansh asking general knowledge. Shriyansh, intelligence we have not discussed in this week. So to conduct intelligence questions tomorrow, so we are going to take intelligence only.
sir,
Sahana,
where we copy?
Sahana, intelligence notebook. Are you not maintaining separate book? Intelligence notebook you are not maintaining. If not there, you can write in rough notes today and you can copy later. Aditi, why did you raise a hand?
Sir,
Yes, Aditi.
sir, we should write English book or maths book, like
See,
or
we have to maintain four different books: maths, English, GK, intelligence. Okay,
okay, sir.
separate notebook.
Sir,
Harshvardhan, why did you raise a hand?
Sir, we want to write this in. I will write in record lecture, sir. All we want to copy all states and capitals.
Yeah, you need to copy because you
Sir,
were not there in the beginning of the year, and we wrote all the countries' capitals. You
sir,
must copy all of them into your notebook.
sir. When I will come, I will ask anybody and I will copy, sir.
Yeah, yeah, sure, we can do that. Jaiwant, why did you raise a hand?
Sir,
Yes. Shanai, we are not taking GK today, only intelligence. Jaiwant, so much of disturbance, background.
sir,
Yes, Jaiwant.
sir, can you create poll?
Not poll. The topic only not completed, no? Let the topic be completed first.
Yes, sir.
Manaswini, Manaswini, why did you raise a hand?
Sir, can I copy that animal sounds?
Yeah, whatever things you don't know and you're listening for the first time, you must copy and revise. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we are going to continue antonyms and synonyms, quantity and unit. Like this, these are only few examples. They may ask anything in analogy. So you must remember almost everything, whichever types are possible. So this is a very good example of your general knowledge also. Complete the second pair by choosing the appropriate alternative. Madhya Pradesh is to Bhopal, is as to Maharashtra is to question mark. Let me create a poll on this. Participate in the quiz, all of you. One minute time. Madhya Pradesh is to Bhopal, Maharashtra is to what? More 30 seconds. Ten seconds. 5 seconds. And time up. Only one student gave wrong answer, that is, they gave C, Chandigarh. The correct answer is option B, Mumbai. Bhopal is the capital of Madhya Pradesh, and similarly, Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Now, let us see some number analogy. In this type of analogy, numbers are given in a pair or group. Numbers are given in a pair or group. Then you have to identify the relation between first two numbers and apply the same relation on the third and fourth. Then we'll get the answer. So there may be questions related to even and odd numbers, squares and cubes, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, etc. So all of you try this question. Again, there will be a poll I am going to conduct. Complete the second pair by choosing the appropriate alternative. 2 is to 4 is as to 3 is to question mark. So I am creating a poll, all of you. Participate in the poll. Again, I am giving 1 minute time. It's very simple question. Complete the second pair by choosing the appropriate alternative. 2 is to 4 is as to 3 is to question mark. 5 seconds left. And the time is over. 2 students gave wrong answer. They said A. Maybe they said A because why A 20? I don't know. But the correct answer is option D. The second number is the square of the first number. So from 2 how we get 4? 2 square is 4. Similarly 3 square will be 9. So option is D. 2 square is 4 and similarly 3 square will be 9. 2 into 2 is 4 and 3 into 3 is 9. Next, alphabet analogy. Here we are going to get only alphabet. And for this you must remember the letters and corresponding numbers. Like A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 and so on up to Z. If I ask any letter, you must be in a position to say the number without wasting so much of time. You must remember, it will save a lot of time if I remember letter and number correspondence. If I say number, you should say letter. If I say letter, you should say number. So first two letters we have to identify the relationship. The same relationship will be there between third and fourth also. So maybe the questions created on vowels and consonants. You know vowels A, E, I, O, U. They are called vowels and remaining letters are called consonants. And it may be on increasing and decreasing position of letters. So whether they are in an alphabetical order or reverse alphabetical order. And reverse order of positions also. So you must remember this table. Backward I don't suggest, only forward you remember. Backward we get by subtracting 27. For example, I want the letter F, the backward position I want. So just subtract the forward position from 27 you get. So we cannot remember all the things, no? Only forward you remember, backward you don't remember. To get the backward number, you just subtract from 27 you will get. Okay, all of you try this question. Complete the second pair by choosing the appropriate alternative. CM is to DN is as to TF is to question mark. All of you try to answer this. I am creating poll for 1 minute. 'Okay, poll started for 1 minute. Complete the second pair by choosing the appropriate alternative. CM is to DN is as to TF is to dash. Very simple question. Five seconds left. And the time up. So I received 2 votes for D, 3 votes for B, and 4 votes for A. All of them are wrong. 20 votes, majority of votes are for option C, that is correct. So let me explain it on the screen. That is CM is to DN. Let me write here. So word analogy we have discussed, and then we discussed number analogy. And now we are going to discuss alphabet analogy. So in alphabet analogy, the question given is, what is the question? CM is to DN. CM is to DN is as to TF. TF is to question mark. Let's use blanks. And I told you already we can use numbers, or even for this question numbers also not required. C plus 1, that is C's next letter is 1, D. M's next letter is N. So apply the same relation here. T's next letter, that is U. F's next letter, that is G. UG. UG, I think answer C. So answer C is correct for this. UG. Next example 4. Complete the second pair by choosing the appropriate alternative. E5 J question mark. Very simple question again. Participate in the poll. Giving 1 minute. The question is complete the second pair by choosing the appropriate alternative. E is to 5 is as to J is to question mark. This is a very simple question. E is to 5 is as to J is to question mark. Ten seconds are remaining. And time up. Only one wrong answer I received, that is D. One student voted D, that is 20, except that remaining all gave the correct answer 10. It's nothing but their corresponding position of the letters. The positional value of E in English alphabet is 5. If you count A, B, C, D, E, E takes the 5th position, and similarly J takes the 10th position. Very simple question. I think we are into exercise now. Exercise also, I'll try to create poll. As many questions as possible we are going to discuss. Okay, all of you try this question. Dhaka is related to Bangladesh in the same way as Tokyo is related to dash. Dhaka is related to Bangladesh in the same way as Tokyo. Now I'm not creating poll. I want you to raise the hand and explain the relation. Dhaka is related to Bangladesh in the same way as Tokyo is related to dash. If you are interested to say the answer, raise a hand. Snehal, can you answer this question?
Sir, Japan.
Yes. What is the relation between Dhaka and Bangladesh?
Sir, capital.
You say full statement. Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, Tokyo is the
Similarly, Tokyo is Tokyo is capital to Japan.
capital of Japan. Next question. You can mute yourself, Snehal.
Oh, okay, sir.
Is to flower in the same way as taste is to dash. You can raise a hand, all of you, if you want to answer. Smell is to flower in the same way as taste is to dash. Okay, let us see who is trying to give answer. Aditi, can you give answer for this?
Sir,
Smell is to flower in the same way taste is to dash.
sweet.
Taste sweet, but I want more general answer. It's not correct.
Mm,
Is sweet we will taste. There are no other we will taste.
sir, I didn't see the question clearly.
Now it's visible.
Sir, you are zooming, sir.
I'm zooming.
Yes, sir.
So I zoom out.
Yes, sir. Zoom.
What about now? You can see the question clearly.
Option C.
Is it clear? Aditi?
Sir,
Yes.
smell is to flower in the same way as taste is to sweet.
Taste is to sweet. Only sweet we will taste. There are no other things we will taste.
Tongue.
You will taste tongue. We will smell
Food.
flour. Yeah, we taste food because sweet is also a type of food, right?
Yes,
There are
sir.
many other types of food other than sweet. So the more general answer is food, right?
Yes, sir.
How will you write the? How will you say the explanation? See, for the first question, we say the explanation like Dhaka is the capital of Bangladesh. Similarly, Tokyo is the capital of Japan. So, what is the answer you'll write for the second question?
Smell is to flower.
Don't read question. What is the relationship between smell and flower?
Smell and flower.
What is the relation between them? You can say like we smell a flower.
We
Say
will smell the flower.
then we taste.
We taste the food.
Yes, that's it. Very good. You can mute yourself now. Next question. Tree is related to forest in the same way as grass is related to dash. So who is interested to answer, you can raise a hand. Tree is related to forest in the same way as grass is related to dash. I'm giving 1 minute time, all of you think and answer. Okay, who is trying to give answer? Snehal, Nikita. Chat box also many students are answering. Somebody saying day, somebody saying C. Okay. Litiksha, can you answer this question?
Sir,
Yes.
tree is to related to forest. Then
What is the relation? What is the relation between them? And
the tree is live in forest.
no, no, no. We can say set of so many trees together will create forest, right?
Yes.
Similarly, so much of grass together, what do you call? You call lawn, you call garden, you call park, you call field.
Garden.
No, garden is wrong. Garden is not only having grass, garden is having beautiful flowers, decorations, so many sculptures, etc.
Um,
Collection of
I
trees together is called forest. Collection of so much of grass together is called
is called
one choice. If you wrong answer, I'll go to the next student.
field.
A, C, D. Which option? Lawn, park, field.
Option D, field.
No. Field is actually used in the sense of sports and games. Why? Because, yeah, there may be grass, but the idea is to play a game or sport. They'll be using all the marks and etc. Now, let me check. Rishikesh can give the answer.
Please. Sir,
You can give the answer.
sir,
Yes.
answer A.
Answer A, lawn is correct. Yes. So the set of grass together, that area where covered by everything grass, it is called lawn. Yes. You can mute yourself, Rishikesh.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you got a simple question now. Doctor is related to patient in the same way as lawyer is related to that. Customer, criminal, magistrate, and client. Doctor is related to patient in the same way. Lawyer is related to dash. To answer this question, so many students are raising hand. Let us ask Sudeshna. Sudeshna, can you give answer? Sudeshna,
Sir,
what is the relation between doctor and patient?
sir,
What is the relation between doctor and patient?
sir, doctor is
Yes. Doctor, what he is doing patient is treating patient, right?
Treating patient, yes, sir.
So he is giving his service to whom? Doctor is giving service to
Patient.
patient. Yeah, doctor is also giving a service to patient. And lawyer gives his services to whom?
Magistrate.
His customer, his criminal, his magistrate, or his client.
Sir, magistrate.
No, magistrate means the governing body. No, lawyer is giving not giving service to him. Service to who will go to lawyer for what purpose? For getting justice, first they will get a lawyer. Yes. So
Yes,
what is
sir.
that person called? I'll give one more choice to you, Sudeshna. If again wrong answer, I'll go to next student.
Okay.
Doctor gives his services to patient and lawyer gives his services to whom? What do you call that person? Sudeshna, no problem. You can give the answer.
Okay, sir. Mhm. Sir, option D.
Option D, client. Very good. Yes, that is called client. The person who is going to lawyer for getting services is called client. So lawyer's customer,
Okay.
the lawyer's services consuming person, that's called client. Correct answer.
Client.
And yes, Sudeshna, you can mute yourself. Now,
Okay.
Konkani is related to Goa in the same way as Dogri is related to Dash. So who want to say the answer? Who is going to give answer? You can raise a hand. Let us see. Samatrika, can you give answer for this? Samatrika?
Sir,
Yes, can you give the answer?
yes, sir. Dogri is to Madhya Pradesh.
Why? What is Dogri?
Sir,
What is Dogri? First of all, what
sir,
is Konkani? What is Goa? And what is the relation between them?
sir, states and capitals.
Yeah, Goa capital is Konkani.
No, sir.
Then
Sir,
you know or you don't know.
sir, I didn't understand the question.
Okay, I'll explain later. First, listen to
Okay,
other student. Like, let's
okay.
see. Pranay, can you say the answer? Pranay, can you give the answer? Pranay,
Sir,
yes. What
sir,
is the relationship between Konkani and Goa? Pranay, you know or you don't know?
sir, I don't know, sir.
You're raising hand, ready to answer.
Uh, uh,
Kamal, can you say the answer?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, option D.
Option D, Gujarat.
Yes, sir.
First of all, what is Konkani? What is Goa? And what is the relationship between them?
Sir, states and capitals.
Is Goa capital Konkani?
Sir,
You know what is Goa capital?
yes, sir.
What is Goa capital?
Konkani.
It's not Konkani, it is Panaji.
Okay.
Then this is wrong answer, no?
Yes, sir.
Let's try with other students. Shanai, can you say the answer? Shanai,
Sir, answer is Jammu Kashmir.
why?
Sir, Konkani language will speak in Goa.
Yes,
Dogri language is related speak in Jammu Kashmir.
very good, excellent answer. Konkani is not a capital. Konkani is the name of the language. Konkani is spoken in the state of Goa, and Dogri is spoken in the state of Jammu and Kashmir. Shanai, very good. Correct answer. Answer is C. Next, 6 to 10. In the following questions, choose a word which will replace the question mark. Court is to justice is as to, or in the similar manner, school is to dash.
Sir, education.
Oh, you are already on, Shanai? Okay, that's
Sir,
correct.
education.
No problem. So, can you say the explanation?
Sir, court is related to justice.
What is that relation you should say?
In court, will justice will have
Okay.
school
People,
education will have.
you can say like this. People go to court for having justice, right?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, people will go to school, like students will go to school for having.
Education.
Very good. You can mute yourself, Shani. Will give choice to other students. Now, hot is to oven, cold is to dash. Let us see. Srivatsav, can you answer? Srivatsav, hot is to oven is as to cold is to dash.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, snow.
You're saying snow.
Yes, sir.
No. First of all, what is the relation between hot and oven? Tell me. What is the relation? You know oven? Micro oven, you know?
Yes, sir.
What is microwave oven?
Sir, heat.
To heat what? It is a electronic device to heat what? To heat what? To heat food items, right?
Yes, sir.
Now, similarly, to cool the food items, which device we are going to use?
Refrigerator.
Yes, refrigerator is nothing but fridge, right?
Yes, sir.
It's option D. So, what is the correct way to answer? Give the explanation. We use oven to heat or to get the food hot, and similarly, we use refrigerator to get the food cold, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, option D. So you have to say the sentences in proper way. So you can mute yourself, Srivatsa. Next question. Newspaper is to editor is as to film is to dash. Let us see who is trying to give answer. Newspaper, editor, film, dash. Who is giving the answer? Anvita, Diti, Nishika. Shiradia, can you give the answer? Shiradia? Shiradia, speak loudly. Shiradia, speak loudly. You're audible but with very low voice. Shiradia,
Sir, my mic is not
no,
working.
no, it's okay. You can talk now. Shiradia, you're audible to me. Speak loudly.
Sir, newspaper will edit editor,
Okay.
film director.
Yes, newspaper. The final copy of the newspaper is prepared by editor, and the final copy of the film, everything he will manage. That is by the director. Correct answer. And next one, you can mute yourself, Shiradia. Cobbler is to shoe. Similarly, is as to carpenter is to whom? What? Wood, furniture, iron, and gold. Shiradia, you can mute yourself. Let us see. Yes, can you answer?
Sir,
Yes, how are you feeling now?
sir,
How are you feeling now?
Sir, not good.
You are going to come today?
No, sir.
Okay, maybe by Monday?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So can you answer this question?
Sir, option B, furniture.
Okay. Can you say the proper relation between the words?
Cobbler mends shoes and carpenter repairs furniture.
Yes. Cobbler makes shoe and carpenter prepares furniture. Very good, correct answer. And next question. Shreya, you can mute yourself now.
Okay, sir.
Okay, pleasure is to sorrow, right is to dash. Pleasure is to sorrow, right is to dash. Who will explain this? Sahana, Anvita, Snehal, Manaswini, Aditi. Daksh, can you answer this?
Sir,
Daksh,
sir,
yes, can you answer this?
sir. The
Pleasure,
option,
yes.
sir, option A.
Option A. Can you say the relation exactly?
The pleasure is the opposite of sorrow. The
Okay,
right,
what do you mean by pleasure? What do you mean by sorrow? Pleasure is the feeling of what?
the pleasure,
Pleasure is the feeling of what? Pleasure is the feeling of happiness or sadness.
the happiness,
Yes, pleasure is the feeling of happiness, and sorrow is the feeling of
the sadness.
they are antonyms, opposite words. So
Yes,
right
sir.
opposite word is,
The wrong.
so what is the explanation that we can write?
The,
Pleasure is antonym of sorrow. Similarly, right is the antonym of wrong. Okay? Yes, correct answer. You can mute yourself. So now we have number analogy. So let's see who is going to give the correct answer. 1247 is to 3469 is as to which numbers are related to 2358. Who is ready to give the answer? First, you work on the numbers. What is happening between the numbers? You can check difference or you can check their sum, etc. So this is the last question that we are taking up today. And don't leave the class. I'll explain tomorrow what time you will be having test in the online. See, tomorrow by 4 p.m. everybody must be ready with your devices by 4 p.m. So the test is going to be available only up to 5 p.m. If you want to write it after 4 p.m., it is not available. I will remove the test. And if you want to write before 4 p.m., the test will not be available. Only in this window, that is from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m., it will be available. Okay. So only in that particular period of time you can attempt the test. After 5 p.m., I am going to remove it. Everybody have to write at the same time. And the pattern of the exam is you will be getting mathematics, whatever syllabus happened in this week, mathematics, you'll be getting 10 questions, each carrying 3 marks. That you'll be getting 30 marks. And general knowledge, GK, you'll be getting 5 questions, each carrying 2 marks. You'll be getting 10 marks. And English, English will be getting 5 questions, each carrying 2 marks, and you'll be getting 10 marks. And intelligence also will be getting 5 questions, each carrying 2 marks, total of 10 marks. So we'll be getting 60 marks, and total number of questions are 25 questions, giving you 60 marks. And you'll be getting 40 minutes of time. You'll be getting 40 minutes of time. So any time between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. you can start. So you cannot start after 4:20. If you start after 4:20, so I'll be removing the test by 5 p.m. That means only in this window from 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. you should be ready with your devices. Exactly at 4 p.m. I will upload. So where I am going to upload? So I am going to upload into this Sainik crash course only. So in the content, when you click the content, I'll be creating a folder called weekly tests. I'll be creating a folder called weekly tests. In that WT1, you can say weekly test number 1 that you have to attempt. Okay, that test will be ready by 4 p.m. So this is the pattern of the exam tomorrow. So every week I'm going to conduct online classes, whatever that particular week syllabus is happening. So that I'm conducting next week. And once the syllabus will be over, you will be writing grand test that will be of 2.5 hours. So most probably I'll conduct that exam on paper only, but weekly tests will be happening on the device. 40 minutes of test you can write in the device. So tomorrow 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. you should be ready. And where the test will be available, you can click the content, not in the Project J course, the old course, the new course what I gave you login, that is crash course. In there you can click the content, and there will be a folder called weekly test, and in that WT1 there will be a new test will be available that you have to attempt. So now coming back to this question, I hope everybody noted down the pattern and the timings also. So tomorrow Sunday 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. in between that time, so you have to start the test before 4:20 only. That means between 4 to 4:20, 4 p.m. to 4:20, you should start the test. Exactly 5 p.m. I'll remove the test from there and I'll share the results. Okay, coming back to this question, who is trying to explain the answer? Sanvi, can you explain this question? Sanvi?
Sir?
Yes, Sanvi, can you explain this question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, ma.
So 1 plus 2, 3.
Okay.
So 2 plus 2, 4.
Wait a minute, I'll copy the question here. The question says 1, 2, 4, 7, 3, 4, 6, 9, and the relation they're asking between 2, 3, 5, 8. 2, 3, 5, 8. Okay, Sanvi, what is the relation between them?
So 1 plus 2, 3.
Which one plus 2? This one plus 2.
So no, sir. Sir, 1 and another number, this, no, sir. 3, 4, 6, 7.
Okay, this 1 and 3 you're adding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the sum you are getting?
Sir, plus 2.
Okay, that you are doing plus 2. So 1
Yes, sir.
plus 2 is 3. Very good.
2 plus 2, 4.
Okay, second to second. Next.
4 plus 2, 6.
Yes, 4 plus 2, 6. Next.
7 plus 2, 9.
7 plus 2, 9. So similar pattern exists between them. So which number plus 2 will give you 2?
So 0.
0. Which number plus 2 will give you 3?
So 1.
1. And which number plus 2 will give you 5?
So 3.
And what is that last digit?
So 6.
6. So 0, 1, 3, 6. Is there any option here? Yes. Which option is correct, Sanvi?
Sir, A.
So 11th question in the exercise, we got answer A. Very good, Sanvi. You can mute yourself now. So all the students, you can give today's class feedback in the chat box and you may leave the class now. But remember this pattern of the exam that I'm going to conduct tomorrow. Tomorrow is Sunday. The timings for the exam between 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. only. So from 4 p.m. the test will be available. So start before 4:20, 4 to 4:20. Anytime you can start the test, but exactly 5 p.m. I will remove the test and will give the result. If you want to write the test after 5 p.m., the test won't be available because I have to give the result at a particular time. So you have to be ready from 4 to 4:20. Anytime you can write the test, but 5 p.m. I'll remove the test. Okay, this is the pattern. Any doubts regarding the exam also you can ask, no problem. So if you are done with the class, please give today's class feedback and you may leave the class now. Yes, Nehal, you have any doubt? Lower your hands if you don't have doubt and you may leave the class now. Snehal, you have any doubt?
Sir, sir, exam is 40 minutes.
Yeah, 40 minutes only.
Sir, 4 to 5 in exam.
Yeah, if you start at 4, at exactly 4:40, your test will be finished, automatically submitted.
Okay, sir.
Whenever you start, 40 minutes timer will be shown.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Snehal, you can leave the class. Harshvardhan, any doubts?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, after the exam we will discuss the paper in online.
Yeah, I will discuss Monday's class. We'll discuss the paper.
Exam result.
Come again?
When you will give at 5 o'clock only, you will give
Yeah,
the
5 o'clock. Between 5 to 5:30, you will get the result.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you may leave the class, Harshvardhan. Manaswini,
Sir, sir,
Manaswini, any doubts?
sir, where we should write the exam?
You have to write in online only. KRANTHI Academy app is there, no? In that app.
We have to write options
No.
in the book.
No, you have to click the option and move forward.
Oh, direct only mobile.
Yeah, only mobile. Just you have to click the option and go to the next question.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, Jashvi. No, any other doubts? You may leave the class. Sahana, any doubts?
Sir,
Sahana? Yes.
sir, I'm Sahasra.
Yeah, Sahasra, tell me.
Sir, for me, not getting the poll.
Poll not getting. Okay, today you are getting the device now. I'll check what's the problem with your device. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Okay, you may leave the class. Sudeshna, any doubts? No, you have any? No, you don't have any doubts. You can leave the class. Sudeshna, yes.
Sir, tomorrow morning have a class.
Tomorrow morning not there. Sunday there won't be any class, but evening you have the test from 4 to 4:20. Anytime you can start the test. That paper I am going to discuss Monday's class. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Tomorrow there is no online class.
Sir, morning.
Morning there is no class.
Okay, sir.
Anvita, any doubts?
Sir,
Yes, Anvita.
sir, we have to come school.
When? Tomorrow evening?
Sir.
No. At home only you can write.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Anvita. Sahana?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, on Sunday I may not come.
Sunday there is no need to come to institute. No, you can write from home only.
Sir, I can't.
Why?
Sir, I'm going to exam in Armur.
Which exam?
Sir, from school, sir, KSAT to final exam IIT.
Okay, congratulations because you selected for that exam and all the best for the next level. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Harshit, any doubts? Harshit?
Sir,
Yes, Harshit, you are not asking any doubts in the class.
sir, in Sunday exam.
Yeah, tomorrow evening after 4 p.m. the test will be ready in the app only. So what you need to do is in your course there is a tab called content. No, you click on that content. There I am going to create a new folder, weekly tests. In that first weekly test you have to write. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, Harshit, if you don't have any doubts, you can leave the class. But while class is going on, you have to ask doubts and you raise the hand. I'll give your name. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Sanvi. Okay, Sanvi. Sanvi, any doubts?
Sir, I think tomorrow I won't attend the test, sir.
What happened, ma'am?
Sir, tomorrow I have exam, sir, in Armor.
Okay, no problem. For you also, all the best for the next level. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Harshit, any doubts? Harshit? Harshit, any doubts? Okay. Yeah, all of you can leave the class now. Everybody, you may leave the class now.